和电脑界面不一样。
延迟吗？不知道。
好了吗？没按上。
这边是这个，那个是那个。
它的界面不一样。
要重连吗？
选择允许什么玩意儿？
Hello guys, welcome to GWEIKE Cloud channel, and I'm Olivia.
And I'm Villa. Thanks for joining us live today. Super happy to have you guys here.
Yeah, we are super excited because like today is really like a big day, and you are tuning in a very special event, which is our GWEIKE G3, the Diode Laser machine launch event. And we're also gonna do lots of like cute projects with you guys on site.
Yeah, absolutely. And also we'll be dropping some live questions in the chat, so you can just feel free to drop them in the chat. So we're gonna ask some questions. You just feel free to drop them in the chat anytime, so we can talk.
Yes, that's right. So also we're gonna be like doing lots of real-time demos. So we'll walk you through the main functions and advantages of G3, the Diode Laser machine, and what it can deliver. And also, there will be like several winners to be selected in this live stream. First, there will be like 2 winners who will get 2 free G3 machines. One of them will get the free G3 standard, which is a 30-watt fiber laser plus the 20-watt diode laser versions of G3. And the other will get the G3 Ultra, which is a 60-watt MOPA laser plus the 40-watt diode laser version. So,
yeah, absolutely. And also, we'll be picking 2 lucky viewers from you guys who can get 50% off discount. You can simply use that on any of the G3 models. But there's one condition that let's get the view count to 150. So you can simply share this live stream to any of the crafting buddies of yours or friends or family members who might be interested in it and to get this exclusive 50% off.
yes,
Almost time.
yeah, in about like 30 minutes after we start this live stream. And also, we'll show you like lots of like real-time demos. And let's check out the 3D embossing over here. And as what you just say here, we already did this 3D embossing project using this machine.
Yeah, that's right.
So right now it's like almost finished. And we can check out. So this project is started like about 1 hour ago before this live stream. So You
Yeah,
can check.
because normally 3D embossing on metals and non-metals, because they're gonna take lots of time. Normally like an hour to or 2 hours. So we just
change the position.
started this project 1 hour ahead of this live stream.
So you can check the result over here.
Mm-hmm.
This is what you can get using using this 61 MOPA machine.
Yeah, that's right.
So as you can see, this kind of like not very clear.
Yeah,
but
I got the finished one. Check this out.
So this is like more like a polished versions of this.
Yeah,
coin.
it's already 3D engraved by the machine and also cleaned by the machine and also polished by some darkening agent to make it to deliver some like a vintage vibe on the coins.
Yeah, also like this made this 3D embossing coin more vivid and more like solid.
Yeah, absolutely. So basically, G3 dual laser can not only just work on 3D embossing on metals and also do on like non-metals, including the wood and some rock slates coaster and
Yes.
like this.
Yeah, like this one. So you got.
Check this out.
So we got like some rock coaster sample over here. This is a dinosaur like.
Yeah, that's right.
So
normally it takes like an hour or even more time with the machine.
Yeah, depending on like which kind of power you choose to use, you choose to buy. Yeah. So this is a very beautiful sample you could make.
Yeah, that's right. And the reason that we chose that gold 3D embossed coin is that we want to tell you guys we are all the gold of our lives.
Exactly. So, so what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna show you like some real-time demos. But before that, we'll have a quick review of the price over here.
Yeah, we checked out this the pricing of the G3.
Yes. So, as what I have mentioned over here, the machine we use exists. So 6-watt MOPA. Plus the 40-watt Diode Laser version of G3, but you got like so many other options to choose from. The Kickstarter price actually varies from $2,299 to $4,699, depending like which power you choose. But no matter like you are a DIY hobbyist or you are a business owner, you can find your perfect machine. Like so.
Yeah, that's right. So basically, for the new beginners, you can start like with a more basic model, like a 20 watts or 30 watts version. But if you are familiar with 5 laser engravers and the features of them, you can just get a higher power to expand the business of yours. And for those who are looking to, to boost your efficiency and expand the business of yours to improve the efficiency, you can just go simply with the 50 watts or 60 watts directly. Yes,
exactly. So like we are offering like so many like power options and with such a good price, such a good deal, and you really can't miss out this best deal we are offering. So the reason we can like back you up, we can offer like so many power options and such a good price and such good quality, and also good after sales service if you have experienced that. Is that we have our so that's the reason why we can like give you such a good price and not missing the quality part.
Yeah, exactly. So the experience and we got the experience and the capacity. That's what we do.
Yes. So you know the price, so let's get to the real demos. And I know you are really like excited about it, and so do we. So
yeah, let's dive in.
Okay. So last live stream for the pre-launch, we have showed you like already many stunning features of G3, including like a color engraving on stainless steel and the wood engraving cutting and the leather engraving cutting, and also we showed you some exciting like new Rotary and the conveyor system. Yeah. So in today's live stream, really focused on the comparison between the MOPA laser and the non-MOPA laser. And also we'll do something we didn't show you before, and also some like a brand, some like new accessories we didn't show you.
Demonstrate, yeah.
Some like small parts and some also some main functions and the detailed operations, and this is what you're gonna see.
Yeah, absolutely. So first thing first, let's start with the color engraving, right?
Yeah, let's start with the color engraving project. So let's check out the software we're gonna use.
Yeah, let's check out the interface of the software of LIVESTREAM.
Yes. So
Check it out.
we already put a stainless steel sheet under the workbench, so you can just set the pattern in the software.
Yeah, basically we're gonna do this like a rainbow heart pattern. So from the interface, you can see there are several layers of the projects. Each layer stands for the color of it, and in the software you can see you can change the frequency range and the Q pulse pulse wise, and you just preview, and you can just
Start and
the project.
yes.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
The reason we are using LIVESTREAM this time is that we want to show you like our machine is fully compatible with LIVESTREAM.
Yeah, that's right. And we're gonna compare the results between the MOPA laser and non-MOPA laser to tell you the difference and different results.
Yes. So like basically, if you want to start doing color engraving, the first thing you need to do is do some color testing.
Yeah, that's right. And every time you want to do a color engravings for the projects of yours, you need to like do a material test. You can do with the LIVESTREAM or with the Diode Laser.
Yes. So what you can create is this kind of like color tablets. Which we will show you later. Okay, right now, I think. So basically, if you're using the LIVESTREAM and the G laser to run the test, you will get some like color tablets like that, like this. So these are some comparison between the MOPA and the non-MOPA laser. And you can see they are like quite different. So the MOPA version, the result is like more vibrant and also more consistent, the outcome. It is because that you can control the pulse width.
Yeah, that's right. You can change the MOPA laser's frequency range from 1 to 4,000 kilohertz, and the pulse wise from 2 to 500 nanoseconds.
Yeah.
So basically, the ultra fine pulse control and the independent power adjustment, it just simply enable vibrant and super precise color outcome.
Yes.
It's totally like you having like a full creative freedom on metals, especially on stainless steel.
Yes, that's exactly the reason why you can achieve such like precise color control. And also with the MOPA laser, you actually can like making like a reproducible colors. This is something that you cannot achieve with a like standard or normal fiber laser.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So that means like if you test the parameter, you can just input it and print out the same color.
Yeah, that's right. And the color engravings made by the MOPA laser can last longer than the non-MOPA ones.
Yes, that's also one of the advantage. So like other like engraving samples over here. Okay, the rainbow sign is almost done. We also got like other color engraving samples, like this, like a scenery picture. So this one you can see it's more like intricate design. So and the color is still like very vibrant, including the water, the blue water and also the green and the yellow color. They're so beautiful. This kind of a project will take about like also 30 minutes or so or 1 hour. So this is like some like keychains you can do, and so with the MOPA laser you can definitely get some like very beautiful decorative art or like a presentable like gifts. There will be like a brilliant like a street art ideas because it will only take like about 30 to like minutes to finish a design like this. Yeah. So I think the color engraving is already done.
Finished.
Okay,
So
let's check out the result.
Check this out.
Okay.
Sorry, oops, my fingertip.
So it's a little bit like fingernail on the stainless steel, but it doesn't matter. You can check out the color outcome. So as you can see, we are doing it in like real time. It only take like 1 minute or
Yeah,
like
that's right.
or two like to finish.
So you need to remember that every time you wanna do a certain color engraving project, you gotta like do a material test, to get the certain settings for certain colors.
Yes. So like for like other kind of like items, still like stainless steel, but you also can create colors even if it's a kind of like curved surface. So like this bottle over here. So these are also like very beautiful designs you can do, and great ideas for your business maybe.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, yes. So also like some pictures we have here. You can see here. The colors is also very like strong, and from the background to the dresses of these two ladies. And this is what you can deliver, you can achieve with the MOPA version G3. And okay. So apart from color engraving, the MOPA laser also have like other advantages, right?
Yeah, that's right. The MOPA laser can be also used for like many applications.
Yeah. For example, like plastic engraving. And now many people mention that, but MOPA laser actually is very great at plastic engraving. So we'll show you like some samples over here. So you guys see this like a plastic phone charger, and you can see the logos and the letters that really like small and need like a precision work. And this is the manufacturing printed. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to replicate that using our 60W MOPA laser. And we also have a result made by a standard MOPA laser. So later you're gonna see the result.
Yeah.
So you can just like put the phone charger on the table,
Yeah.
and we'll start from the step 1 to start the focus.
Yeah.
And
so let's check out the interface.
so we're gonna use G laser this time, and to let you see it. Okay?
Yeah. So this is the interface of the G laser. So this is how you like do the positioning with the camera.
Yes. So you just need to click the autofocus.
Yeah. Here's
And it's easy, and the machine will just like detect the thickness of your workpiece and automatically adjust the focal length.
That's right.
And also another big advantage and improvement of G3 is that it got a smart camera. You can see right here. We are using the smart camera right now. It's now like positioned very. Okay, the autofocus is down. And we can just like you got like two ways for the alignment. One is to like use the camera. The other is that you can also use the frame function just as the G2 software to locate the position of the graphic you want to engrave on your workpiece. So right now, you can see the outcome of this engraving. We are using like a relatively small power. We are using like a relatively small power this time. So this is what you can get using a small power. So we'll just increase the power a little bit, let you see like what the difference will be. Okay, I will just like put it under the here again. And we'll check the software. And reposition, realign the graphics to the phone charger. Okay. This time is more like clear. You can fully see the details. I mean, right? You didn't miss a detail, and the precision can reach up like to 10 micrometers.
Absolutely.
That's even finer than like a human here. So I got like some comparison over here. This is like if you go like 4 power, like 100% power. This is what you can get. Like very like sharper and darker engravings. But what we were trying to do is try to replicate that, which is a relatively like a faint design. So we didn't use like full power. And for underneath is the non-MOPA fiber laser result. So the color is actually like is quite like softer, and also you can see
darker than the non-MOPA one.
Yeah, softer than the normal. Yeah, and also like the details isn't like as detailed as the MOPA laser one, especially the logos. Yeah, and the letters. Yeah.
Yep. So basically, if your project require some super precise and dark engravings on plastic products, you should definitely get the MOPA laser to help you to do the business.
Yes, that's like just like one advantage of MOPA laser,
Yeah.
and also like two, like including the color engraving. And there's like more things like MOPA laser stands out.
Mm-hmm.
For example, for the aluminum like material,
Like the
yeah, we got something like
anodized aluminum.
yeah. So this is like a very common material for iPad and iPhone shell.
And also can be used like kitchenware, some electronics,
Yeah, some sanitary products, etc. So with MOPA laser, you can actually create this kind of like a black markings on it, which is something like normal fiber laser cannot do. cannot deliver. Here you can see this is what we engrave. And now we're gonna show you how to engrave on that in real time. And we will use this brand as kind of like a new iPhone shell, iPad shell.
So simply you can just put the upper shell on the working bed.
Yeah, we have already like engraved a already use the standard MOPA, like normal standard fiber laser to do a comparison, and later we'll see the result.
Yeah, so check out the interface of a G laser.
So this is the interface. What we have mentioned is that the interface of this software, you can see it's quite like intuitive compared with our last versions of G laser.
Absolutely. And the setup is simply straightforward, and the camera helps you to do the calibration, and you don't have to do the actual handling or repositioning.
Yes, and for this kind of like engravings, you just choose the flat engraving mode here, and
So the power,
yeah.
speed, frequency, and you just preview.
And you can preview, or you can just like use the camera. And this time we use the preview mode. Okay, so it's finished in just like minutes.
It just took just only like a couple of seconds.
Yeah, just a couple of seconds. And you can see the comparison, like the difference is quite distinguished. Like this is a MOPA one, this is a non-MOPA one. The non-MOPA one, they only like leave like a whitish mark. Well, the MOPA version, they can leave actually like a darker and black, relatively like black marking on this kind of material. So if you like, you want to like engrave logos and the letters on your products, on some like aluminum products, this definitely you get the MOPA versions of G3.
Yeah, because compared to the non-MOPA laser, the MOPA laser can deliver like a super precise and ultra dark and black engravings on especially anodized aluminum for
Yes.
the business of or the projects of yours.
Yes, so we have showed you like lots of like engraving abilities of this machine.
And so we also want to demonstrate the cutting abilities of the G3 dual laser, right?
Yes. So last time we showed you lots of like wood engraving and cutting, like leather engraving cutting, but we didn't show you is like acrylic cutting. So we see like lots of people are asking in the comment like whether G3 can really cut through acrylic. Of course it can, and what we're gonna show you using a piece of like a black acrylic here.
Yeah, that's right. And when you want to do like some cutting projects, there is a cutting panel included with the machine for free. So
Yes.
you can simply just put the cutting panel on the working bed of a G3 machine.
That will help with cutting projects a lot.
Yeah, because it can help you to protect the working bed and also,
Yes, support the piece.
Yeah, you can just simply put the workspace on the working bed
Yes.
of the cutting panel.
Yeah. You definitely want to make the matte surface up forward.
Yep, so let's check out the interface of the software of G Laser.
Yes. All right.
Let's check out the interface
Okay, we are still using the laser, and then you can see the design we choose is a open work B design, and it got like lots of details to cut. So this kind of like a cutting, you can choose like a 100% power or like 80% of power for the diode laser. Yeah. And now you can see it started cutting. And also when cutting like 21 and 40 watt, they can cut through like a thick material. For the 40 watt, they can cut through up to like 20 millimeter acrylic and wood.
Yeah, absolutely. And also when you do any of the cutting projects, you gotta pay attention to the ventilation.
Yeah, the ventilation is very important. And
so speaking of the ventilation, we wanna let you know that there is a built-in powerful exhaust fan and exhaust hose coming with the machine for free.
Yes.
To help you to suck out the smoke and the dust when you do the cutting, and to help you to observe the processing better and clear, and get you guys a safer and better workspace.
Yes. So if you're worried about like you don't have a window to vent out the smoke, you can actually get our Rotary Cloud air filter, which is very powerful and useful. I can help you to set up your machine in bedroom, in some like workshop that don't have windows.
Yep. It simply get the suck out the smoke and collect the dust to get them purified. You can just vent indoors.
Yeah. So I think it's already done over here. I just take it out. Okay, it's just like got out of it directly. Alright. So this is what you can get. A very like beautiful cutting edges. And the details is really good. They don't break any like part of his wings or main body or his things. They're perfect then. So this is like what we're gonna do next is we're gonna add some color to these earrings. Like for example, you can see the final result here. So we're gonna add some like metal part on the main body of the speed, cut the contour of this shape using some metal.
Yeah, that's right.
To be exactly some like brass. Okay.
So we're gonna put this thin brass sheet on the working bed and the cutting panel to gonna remove things like that. Yeah. So this is the reason why we use the cutting bed panel to do the cuttings.
Yes, it will like help you to remove the pieces more easily compared with the workbench.
Yeah.
So let's see the cutting process. It will be like very quick, and you can like start cutting right now.
So speaking of the cutting metal sheets, so technically we don't recommend you guys to cut directly the metal sheets, but practically it can work, because if you put in more time, it can cut up to 1.5 millimeter to 2 millimeter brass sheets.
Yes.
So G3 dual laser cannot just only cut like non-metal materials like wood or acrylic or leather. Yeah. It can also literally cut thin metal sheets.
Yeah, and some like stainless steel, but like for some of the hard metals, for example, like carbon steel, it cannot deal with that. You definitely need like more professional and high power laser machines like our M series, the 6-in-1 machine.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we and okay, we need a little bit more passes to be more easy to separate off.
And also, when you do cutting like metal sheets, you need to pay attention to the heat
Yeah.
that of the from the processing, because
Yes. I think
fiber laser is heat processing.
Yes, so will cause some like phase distortion if you are using like a very thin metal and
It's super
also
hard.
yeah, and also some like it's easy to separate, but like so this is what you can get. So don't do what Villa do. You just take the metal sheet from the blade with his bare hand. You definitely need a scissor or something to
Yeah, you
take
gotta
it.
be careful when you're
Yeah.
cutting.
Or just like let it cool down for like a second or so. So you can see the cutting edges is also like very beautiful, easy to separate it, and but the like edges are a little bit like burned. You can use some like thing to polish a little bit, so it doesn't like matter that much. So the final design, as what I have just show you, will look like this, and you can add some like a gold color hook on top and make this a beautiful earrings.
Absolutely. So with the cutting ability for both metals and non-metals, you can just explore more possibilities with a machine to to expand the business of yours, to help you guys to do more customizations and DIY works for your customers and your community.
Yeah, doing some like multi-layer design and some jewelries that would be like very helpful. And we also got like this stainless steel cut butterfly over here. So this is originally a color engrave, and then we cut the details inside and the contour, the frame outside to get this beautiful design. This is actually thicker, about 1 millimeter thick, and to be something like even more thicker, we got this Andrew pendant.
This is super cool.
This is super cool, and details and yeah, and this is about like 2 millimeter thick.
Yeah. So bigger object takes longer time to finish.
Yes, that's something like you have to bear in mind if you want to do like some cutting work.
Yeah.
Okay, so next what we're gonna do is to do the first round of
lucky draw.
Lucky draw, yeah. So before that, we'll have a quick review of the price, and in case you forget. So the Kickstarter price will start from $2,299 to $4,699. And actually, right now you can save up to like $1,000 for this Kickstarter event. So if you are using the MOPA laser we are using right now is the 61 MOPA. So if you are purchase it right now, you actually save a lot, because normally if you buy a standard like a 61 MOPA laser on the market, you will find that their price is among the 4,000 to like 5,000 or even more. But you are using like a $4,699 to getting a very powerful like 61 MOPA laser and a 40-watt very like a solid diode laser at the same time. So okay, now let's see the wheel and do the first round of a lucky draw games. So the lucky draw will select the winner from the email list we have been collecting, who have joined our like win free G3 machine activity. Will be like I will select the first winner first.
Yeah, sure.
So
lady first.
Okay, I will select the G3 standard. Okay. Let's see who will get the G3 standard machine. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And now we have the winner. Okay.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Please DM us or email us within 7 working days to claim your reward.
Yes, so you will get a free G3 standard, which is a 30-watt fiber laser plus 20-watt style laser. You can reach out to our customer service or the email to claim these rewards within 7 days.
Yes. So another thing we forgot to mention is that the price of the machine is about it's a big deal. We're gonna keep it for almost 30 days because this is how long our Kickstarter campaign will last.
Yeah, so our Kickstarter campaign will last only 30 days. So grab the best deal as soon as you can, because early payment means early shipping.
Yeah, I think right now the Kickstarter event might already go online.
Yeah, it's already available, so you guys can check out our Kickstarter campaign page to choose the machine for your projects.
Yes, you can check it out right now or later to see to secure your the positions in this super great deal. So
yeah, absolutely.
So
let's carry on.
Yeah, next what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you more small accessories. So starting from some add-on options we have here. Very important, our 4-in-1 new Rotary. So let's do some unboxing to let you see the details, what's inside it.
Yeah. Because in our previous live stream, you guys always wanna see is there any unboxing of the machine or the accessory? So here we go.
Yeah. So this is the outer package. This is what you can get over here. And this is
the main body of the Rotary with the roller and the motor.
Yeah. And then you got a support module.
Yeah, additionally, you can get a supporting module to help you to do engrave oversized tumblers or cups.
Yeah.
And also the supporting module is totally adjustable to help you to handle different height and different size of the object. And the maximum diameter the 4-in-1 laser Rotary can do is 100 millimeter.
Yeah, so you can just simply adjust the knob over here to adjust height to make your object horizontal and stable.
That's right.
And what do other things except the rollers, it's dismantleable, so you can just remove the roller and attach some trunk head like this.
Look at this.
Yeah, and this trunk is with the ring holders on it.
You can simply
there is a slot on this back of this trunk. You can just simply push it in, and this is how you can adjust the ring here.
Yeah, you can simply adjust the chuck to hold different size of the rings or the bracelets or the different size of the cups or tumblers. And additionally, you can do both inside and outside of the rings.
Yes, and you got more different size of ring holders like this, and also some wrenches and screws.
We got a couple of the long wrenches and the tiered wrenches.
Yeah. So with this kind of long clutches, you can use to fix it some glasses or cups from inside or outside.
Yep.
And this is for a more irregular shape or a spherical object.
Like some balls,
Yes. So yes. So these are small things you can.
And also we got a bevel module to help us to do the inner engravings of the rings or the bracelets, right?
Yes, yes. So we'll show you the bevel module over here already like assembled. And it's really like cool, this rotary design, because like you can assemble it to like different forms to deal with like different shapes of items to like feel like a bit of like engineer.
Yeah. So with our 4-in-1 rotary with the G3 dual laser, you don't have to get several rotaries to handle different sizes of the objects, like some rings, some tumblers, some bracelets, or some balls, and some other spherical objects.
Okay, so you can see right now, and underneath the main body, you can see there's like a bevel module beneath it. It'll help you to set the whole rotary at an angle, so the laser beam can just directly go onto the inside of the ring. Because like G3's laser module and laser head cannot be tilted as G2 does. You definitely need this kind of like a support module to help you set an angle. Okay, it's super fast, and we're gonna check out the result over here. Okay, I think it's quite good. So we're gonna see the result over here. You can see it pretty.
It literally took just a couple of seconds for
Yes.
the ring.
Yeah, it's very quick for such a ring.
And we know some of you guys run your own jewelry shop or customization like a workspace, and you just receive orders from your customers and your community. You can just set the rotary up, and you can just do the customization for the customer, or you can do the names or the logos or the numbers or the days, anything you want to do.
Yeah, this is the logo of ours, so you can do your logos on it.
Yeah, it's all about customization.
Yeah, so apart from like some like big accessories, we also want to show you some like small ones, like this up and down button over here.
Yep.
So as we have mentioned, this machine is fully compatible with like autofocus function, but still you can control it manually in the software or through the up and down body button switch. So it's very simple to use, and it's included. Still, you can control it manually in the software or through the up and down body button switch. So it's very simple to use, and it's included in the box.
Yeah, which is free. You don't have to order it separately, and which means you got several options to do the alignment and do the focal length.
Yes, we also got another switch over here. It's like a repeat switch, repeat controller. So this one is especially like how this one is a kind of like add-on option. It will cost you like about $20 only.
Yeah.
So speaking of like batch processing, in front of us you can right now see a big guy. This is our like the conveyor system. The length of this conveyor is up to like 1 meter, about like 40 inches long. So it's
That's
super
super,
long,
yep.
and you can actually spread lots of items on this conveyor and just like process automatically one by one.
Yeah, absolutely. So the default working area of a G3 dual laser is 175 by 175 millimeter, which is about 7 inches. But with the conveyor, it can be expanded to like up to 40 inches long. So
Yes.
it can help you to do the batch processing. Like you may receive orders from the customers, like some dog tags,
Yes.
or the openers, or some like kitchens. You can
Yeah.
just simply scatter them on the conveyor belt to to do the batch processing, which saves you lots of time. For the business, efficiency means money.
Yes, so that's like something you can do and uh, make your projects like more efficient and also gives you like more possibilities for you to process like a more objects. So
Yeah.
we're gonna use some like ladder patches to do the batch processing and test it. So
You
and
can.
we can also you can adjust the focus and autofocus function or just like set it manually. Didn't show you last time. Didn't show you last time. So if you do like lots of like batch processing and other things, you definitely need this kind of functions to help you like save time because like with the autofocus and the smart camera helps you to identify and also position and align the things. So you got the camera over here, the image, and you can like just select the pattern and then train the system to identify it. Okay. And then you adjust the position of the graphic on the position, yeah, where you want to engrave on the work on the patches. And now you can just click start and it's ready to go. And you still can like doing like more on it. Like let's say like you are saving like half the time for each project. If you put like 10 items on this computer system, you will save like about like 5 minutes. If like one thing needs like take up like 1 minute per patches. And we are using fiber laser source for this laser engraving. You can also use the diode laser to do that.
Yeah, absolutely. So basically, if you receive like some bulk orders from your customer that including like some kitchens, some dog tags, or some openers, you can just simply schedule them on the conveyor belt and to do the batch processing with the machine, and which will greatly help you to boost the efficiency and save you a lot of time. And yeah.
Yeah. So the result is quite good. So the precision is very good also, and also the speed, as you could see for the plastic engraving, it's really fast, and the system can reach up to like 15,000 millimeter per second if you go full power and do some using the fiber laser source. And aside from that, the size of this machine, 40 inches, actually is much longer than the conveyor system we can find for Diode Laser machine on the market, which are normally like half of the size of our conveyor, about like 20 inches long. So like longer and double size means like greater possibilities. For example, you can put like some longer items like this baseball bat. You can compare the size to the conveyor system. It's fully covered.
Laser belt.
Yeah, a leather belt. You can see the engravings over here. It's really like beautiful design, and the engravings is super clear. If you want a relatively like thin design, you can also get using a relatively small power. This is what you can get using a relatively high power. Yeah. So, and we're gonna show you how we do it using a brand new belt. Okay, I just need to put the belt on the conveyor, and we will see from the
Let's check out the interface.
software, the G Laser.
So basically, this is the patching we're gonna engrave on this leather belt.
Mm-hmm.
You just simply choose the marking mode to expanded engraving, which is for this actual oversized project.
Yeah, we'll use these expanded engravings, and when you're doing batch processing, you can use the batch fitting mode. And you can like a preview to have a let the system run to know the exactly like a working area. Okay. And then you can just mark it right now. So it's already started, and now we're gonna do some like a Q&A, and we'll see what questions you have got in the comments.
Yeah, let's check out the
some questions.
live chat.
Yeah. So first thing we want to mention is the warranty of this machine.
Yeah, so the machine comes with a 2 years warranty on the machine itself and 1 year warranty on the laser source.
Yeah. So, and also the lifespan of this laser machine is about 100,000 hours. So
Yeah.
basically you can run it like for 24 hours for
like a 10 years.
Yeah, 10 years. Yes. So we got some questions. Okay. From I use this.
And by the way, we got another round of lucky draw.
Yeah,
right?
we have another round of lucky draw game after we finish this kind of design.
Yeah, which you can get a free G3 Ultra, which is a 60-watt fiber plus 40 watts diode laser.
Yeah, if you want to engrave longer objects, longer even than the conveyor, you can use some a support module or some objects, and for it to smoothly move to the conveyor. I think, yeah.
Absolutely. By the way, hey JB, how are you doing?
And also, I'm gonna check other questions over here.
Yeah, I was just greeting with my friend JB, who runs his own. Just greeting with my friend JB, who runs his own business. And, several machines from us.
Yeah, guys, so share this live stream to more people so we can unlock this 50% off bonus. Yeah, the rotary of the 4-in-1 rotary can be used to for J2 too. Okay, this 4-in-1 rotary can be used for J2 series as well. So you got if you haven't made up your mind for this G3 machine, you can also purchase the 4-in-1 new rotary. It's fully compatible.
Yeah, absolutely. So we want to appreciate you guys for your support and participation. And we will have a...
And this is what we got.
Yeah, let's do this first.
This is what we got. We just do a small part on this belt. And it's very like a takes about like 2 to 3 minutes, I think.
Yeah, so practically you can do like a even longer project.
So
So
I
because
think
of the time, so we just do this pattern.
so. I think if you want to engrave the full length of this bell, it will take about up to like 10 minutes at most.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's very fast. Okay. So to let you see like a more like a this like a straightforward comparison between the different powers, and we got some like grass cones prepared. You can see here. These are like using like different power to engrave on this grass coin within the same amount of time, 30 minutes. So on the here is the 2-watt infrared laser outcome, and this is a 20-watt.
Yeah, that's right. We have already tested several coins with the same settings, including the same power percent, same passes, same time. The only thing that changes is the power. So what we want to tell you guys is that higher power delivers higher efficiency.
Yes.
And if you're a newbie or the new beginner, you just get a 20 watts or 30 watts version. You need to at a startup.
Yeah.
But if you're already familiar with the machine and the features, you can just simply go with like a 50 watts or 60 watts version, which can help you to greatly boost the efficiency and expand the business of yours.
So this is a 30-watt, and this is a 60-watt version. The
Mm-hmm.
contrast is also very obvious. This is the 60-watt version is really much thicker, and if you compare with the 2-watt infrared, you will see the difference. So the 2-watt is only a very like a surface marking. I cannot really deal with like deep
Yeah,
engraving.
absolutely.
Yeah.
So personally, I do lots of 3D embossing coins myself, and for collections or for some gifts to the friends of mine. I really love it. So basically, I use like a 60 watts fiber laser. So if your projects require lots of deep engravings on metals or like a wood or uh, like. Uh, rock slate coaster, you definitely should get a 60 watts fiber laser to do the deep engravings and the 3D embossing.
Yes, and this is some like a deep engraving effect on some wood board. You can engrave deeper or even like cut some like 20 millimeter wood using our 40-watt diode laser. And I think this kind of a design is really like a beautiful. Okay, so I think we have showed you like pretty much like everything we wanna show you, and now we will do the second round to select the big winner of
The
today.
lucky draw.
Yeah, we'll show the lucky view again. Lucky view, and you can see like actually we got a lot of like a very intense like arrangement of this view because
Yeah.
so many people are training.
Yeah, so this round we're gonna select one winner who can get a G3 Ultra, which is 60 watts fiber laser plus 40 watts diode laser. So get ready.
Yeah, get
So
ready. So Villa, you can
yeah,
you can now select the winner.
so 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, we got
Okay.
the winner. So congratulations.
Congratulations.
So please reach out to our customer service or the email to claim this reward within 7 days. You can get a free G3 Ultra 6 watts fiber plus 40 watts diode laser.
Yeah, the ultra, the most like powerful version.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And
So
additionally, we got another lucky draw, right?
yeah, it's a different form. Like you can now comment like GWEIKE G3 in the comment zone. And right now, and we will select one winner to get a 50% off for any of the G3 models. So comment GWEIKE G3 now in the comments.
Yeah, so the code is GWEIKE G3.
Yeah. So we'll wait for you like for a second and show you like something.
Yeah, let's check out the comment section, right?
Yeah, let's check out the comment section.
So once again, the code is GWEIKE G3.
GWEIKE G3. So hurry up, guys. We're gonna do like screenshot to select the first name on the screenshot, and this is the guy who will get the 50% off.
Yeah. We just wanna appreciate you guys for the watching and support along the way. And if you need any information of a G3 or our Kickstarter campaign, you just please feel free to reach out to our customer service or the email or the WhatsApp or the social media for more information. And we work 24/7. So just feel free to reach out anytime.
Yes. And you can also follow up our social medias for more updates and demo videos. And right now our Kickstarter event has go live. So
already.
Yeah, live. So you can already check it out or just secure your position and purchase right now. Okay, I think it's already lots of people are commenting.
Yeah.
So I will do like a random thing, screw up and down and just up and down. Okay, got it here. And then we got the, okay. I think already do.
And by the way, we got a VIP group of G3 on our Facebook group, and you can check it out. And so also we got more unboxing and tutorials available on YouTube and Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. You can just simply check it out.
I think it's the MOB. Yeah.
We got the winner, right?
We got the winner, yes. Should I just adjust the screen light? Can you see it from the camera? For now. Okay. So congratulations.
So basically, you can get you can reach out to our customer service or the email to claim this 50% off on any of the G3 model.
Yes, I think I don't know if I pronounce it right. It's Mobi job, maybe. Yeah, you see your name, so just DM us or just email us. Okay. So that's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed today's live stream as we do, and congratulations to all the winners, and thank you all for watching our live stream today.
Yeah, that's right. So we want to thank you for all the support and watching, and for more information you can reach out to our social media or our email or WhatsApp anytime, because we work 24/7. You can just reach out anytime.
And also the super early bird, which is the Kickstarter price, will only last for the 30 days. So definitely grab the best deal as you can.
Yeah, absolutely. So you can check out our Kickstarter campaign page, which is available right now. You can order right away.
Early payment, early shipment. So.
And also payment plans are also available.
Yes. So thank you again, and we will see you around next time. Bye-bye.
See you around. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Running a store can be exciting, but also challenging. Isn't it time to make a change and bring something special to your customers? Introducing GWEIKE G3, the world's first 60-watt MOPA fiber and diode dual laser engraver. Precision meets versatility across every material. Meet the ultimate machine for small businesses and creators. GWEIKE G3 makes laser switching effortless with precision pulse width and full parameter control. It creates vibrant color engraving on stainless steel using advanced MOPA pulse control. It delivers deep black marking on anodized aluminum. high contrast, sharp details, stunning results. It powers deep 3D embossing on rock slate and fine engraving on brass coins. The 60-watt MOPA laser delivers deep engraving and finer details than other standard fiber lasers. With upgraded power, the GWEIKE G3 delivers cleaner, deeper cuts, metals like stainless steel and brass, and combining 3D embossing with cutting to create stunning DIY projects, all in one seamless workflow that unlocks entirely new creative possibilities. The OD5 enclosure ensures safe and reliable laser operation. Thanks to dual 48-megapixel cameras, GWEIKE G3 now achieves positioning accuracy up to 0.2 millimeters. It lets you engrave more details on tiny items and handle curved surfaces effortlessly. It ensures safety with a fully enclosed shield, autofocus, and one-click operation. GWEIKE G3 plants your store deeply in your customers' hearts. It delivers an exclusive shopping experience at lightning speed, up to 15,000 millimeters per second, boosting your productivity. Watch ideas come to life in real time, giving every product a unique meaning. GWEIKE G3 is equipped with a conveyor system and supports visual positioning along with AI-powered engraving area recognition, enabling fully automated workflows and precise material feeding. Effortlessly handle large projects up to 40 inches, maintaining exceptional quality regardless of shape. With production efficiency comparable to professional factories, GWEIKE G3 helps you stand out in a competitive market. The built-in high-power fan swiftly extracts smoke and dust, ensuring a cleaner, safer, and more comfortable working environment. GWEIKE G3 leaves a lasting impression with your customers. This is GWEIKE G3, the dual laser engraver that redefines the way you create. Running a store can be exciting, but also challenging. Isn't it time to make a change and bring something special to your customers? Introducing GWEIKE G3, the world's first 60-watt MOPA fiber and diode dual laser engraver. Precision meets versatility across every material. Meet the ultimate machine for small businesses and creators. GWEIKE G3 makes laser switching effortless with precision pulse width and full parameter control. It creates vibrant color engraving on stainless steel using advanced MOPA pulse control. It delivers deep black marking on anodized aluminum. High contrast, sharp details, stunning results. It powers deep 3D embossing on rock slate and fine engraving on brass coins. The 60-watt MOPA laser delivers deep engraving and finer details than other standard fiber lasers. With upgraded power, the GWEIKE G3 delivers cleaner, deeper cuts, metals like stainless steel and brass, and combining 3D embossing with cutting to create stunning DIY projects, all in one seamless workflow that unlocks entirely new creative possibilities. The OD5 enclosure ensures safe and reliable laser operation. Thanks to dual 48-megapixel cameras, GWEIKE G3 now achieves positioning accuracy up to 0.2 millimeters. It lets you engrave more details on tiny items and handle curved surfaces effortlessly. It ensures safety with a fully enclosed shield, autofocus, and one-click operation. GWEIKE